Hi, it's meteorologist Joe Fury in the Storm Team 8 Weather Center. Hope you had a good week. Obviously, our thoughts and prayers have been with the folks down in Florida. Ian came in just around a Cat 5 in and around the Fort Myers area. It's really overwhelming and very hard to look at the devastation. It is going to take months, years to get back to normal down there. And, well, the storm then came across the peninsula, back out into the Atlantic, and moved in at Georgetown, South Carolina, at 2:05 this afternoon. That's just south of Myrtle Beach as a Cat 1. So significant difference in terms of storm surge, which was 12 to 18 feet in and around Fort Myers and 4 to 7 feet at around Myrtle Beach. What actually came in as the third highest storm surge on record for Myrtle Beach, just behind the Hugo and Matthew. So all the big heavy rain is moving inland now, and yes, some of that remnant moisture is coming here, and we do not have a very good first weekend of October. September is going to go in the record books very close to average temperature-wise and a little above average with the rainfall. And October, that's usually the month that features the most number of clear days of any month out of the year. Well, it's not starting out so well. As a matter of fact, since the first day of official summer, just about every Saturday has been near perfect. This one, not so good, as the storm came in right there just south of Myrtle Beach, 2:05 this afternoon. Look at all that big moisture. Now, keep in mind, Ian, its remnant circulation is going inland up through North Carolina, heading towards Roanoke, Virginia. So at least we don't have a Cat 1 hurricane coming up the East Coast. So, yeah, compared to what has gone on in Florida and down there in the Carolinas, we really cannot complain in any way, shape, or form. Yes, there's a lot of things going on this weekend outdoors. Harwinton Fair, for instance. We've got ALS walks in Hartford and New Haven, which I'll be out at on Sunday morning. So there's the big slug of rain in. It's, well, going to be a rainy Saturday. And, well, that rain is going to be sticking around probably into Sunday as well. It may not rain all the time, but it's going to be windy. It's going to be raw. There's going to be some occasional rain, and the high finally builds in and pushes the rain out of the way. The clouds may stick around early next week, and so will the wind and the chill. And there's your wind gusting 20 to 30 on Saturday and up and over 30 miles per hour on Sunday. The 8-day forecast, just, again, the first weekend of October, not good, with periods of rain, windy, chilly. We're in the 50s for highs. That's it. Some places, especially southern Connecticut, an inch or two of rain, lesser amounts as you head towards the Massachusetts border. And then Monday and Tuesday, mostly cloudy, closer to 60. Again, the wind is of note, making it feel chillier. Brief warm up the middle of next week, 60s to around 70, and then it goes back down again. October's got an interesting look to it as we move along. So the month is looking to be cooler than average, and maybe somewhere along the line, when you look at the pattern, you say a big nor'easter to come out of this pattern and another big tropical system in the Atlantic as we head through the first couple of weeks of October. Those are just some things to ponder. Remember the big nor'easter, end of October 2017. Many of us forget about that, over 200,000 power outages. So, and of course, we know the big snowstorm in 2012. Or 2011 rather, and Sandy was 2012. Bottom line is, it's not a good start, but then again, when we see what happened in Florida and what happened in the Carolinas with Ian, a little rain, a little wind, that's something we'll just have to deal with this weekend. I hope you're doing well. Hope you have a great weekend. And Ashley Baylor, first thing on Saturday morning with a very latest update. Have a nice weekend. Bye.